Hey YouTubers, Jen Chu here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. So today's video is how do you get your string on your bow string, you know, strung up in the field, right? There's so many gadgets and things that are out there, but I'm not really one for gadgets, so it's kind of like I just like to know how to do it, you know, this way, just kind of like old school. Oh, that's my tab. I also make these myself, and I'll show you how to do that in another video. But I'm going to put it in my pocket so I don't lose it for now. Alright, so anyway, back to this. So, you know, when you're storing your bow, I'm out here getting ready for the spring turkey hunt. The spring turkey season starts in a couple weeks, so just out here practicing my shot and getting myself tuned up and ready. So, I was just out here and I thought a really good video would be how do you string up your bow without any gadgets, just like this, okay? And a cool trick that I learned was, now I'm right-handed, so this is a right-handed recurve bow. So what you do is you take your left foot and you put it through the bowstring like this, okay? I'm gonna back up so you can see. And then this part goes along the front of my right calf. It's hard to walk. And then this, you basically are doing a bench press and you're going to push it forward, okay? But before you put that first, let me show you. I should have showed you first. So before you put this bowstring on, right? This one's like way off. Just put it up a little bit. Make sure that the other one is seated, okay? Meaning that it's ready to go, okay? Seated in the channel for the bow and everything, right? And on both sides. Okay. So just make sure the opposite is seated properly, the one that's down on your right calf, okay? So let's do that again. So the one that's seated is here, on the, basically going to be on the bottom. I'm going to step through with my left foot. Okay. My balance was a little off. I'm on a hill. I swear I haven't been drinking yet. All right. So I got the one that's loaded up on my front right calf. And now a lot of people, you'll see them do it like this, where it's like you're basically doing a bench press. But this is still really hard. This is a 45-pound recurve bow, you know, 45-pound pole. So what I do is I kind of get the string up a little bit more, get it more on the back of my, kind of high up on my butt. Hold on, back up, so you can see. See, so it's a little bit more up on my butt, not way down here. Got it a little up. Let me fix the string. Let's make sure that string stays. Oh. And I'm gonna come back up. Okay, so I'm good. I got the string. So now you take your right. I'm right-handed, so you take your right hand, and then as you press, you're gonna move your string up. Okay, it's not real easy, but it's not wicked hard. You just make sure your string is seated, and there you go. No little gadgets. That way when you're going, you know, hunting and you're camping, you can take your, you know, your bowstring off at night, you know, untaught anyway, and then you put it back when you're in the field. It's really easy. So there you go. Just a quick trip. Not quick trip, I said it again. Second video. Quick tip. And it's the same when you want to take it off. So I'll do that real quick too, okay? Same thing. Except for this time, it doesn't matter what end you put on the bottom because they're both, you know, on, okay? So same thing. Left foot goes in. Okay? The bottom goes in front of my right calf. And then this part, I'm just gonna pull up a little closer to me, and then it's basically like a bench press motion. okay? Because you always want to keep that spine and your back in good alignment because you don't ever want to hurt yourself. I love to be outside. And if you hurt yourself, it's kind of difficult to be outside with a bad back and all that kind of stuff. So really take care of yourself and make sure that you're doing, you know, you're doing the right thing when you're lifting or doing anything like that. So it's basically like just a bench press motion. So you're just gonna go ahead and push forward, and it's the same thing. Get it up on your butt. Make sure the bottom is against your right calf. And there you go. Really easy. Super easy. If I can do it, you can do it. And then this is how you should store your bow. Okay, now I need to get a new bowstring. As you can see, I don't know if you can see the fray just a little bit. I mean, I'm going to shoot with it today, but I'm definitely going to be replacing my bow string, excuse me. And so I'll be doing that in another video coming up soon. But I'm really super looking forward to turkey hunting, and maybe I'll have some videos about that too. I don't know if anyone's really interested in that, but if you are, please let me know, and I'll get a couple videos out about that. All right. Again, we'll be hunting wild turkey in New England, upcoming in the spring of 2022. So I'll have that video out for you as well. All right. Oops, my bowstring is... I'll fix it after. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell up the top so you get all my new stuff. All right, well, thank you so much. Have a great day and get outside. Bye, guys.